Just Fire Master Dr. Fact here with another unboxing. This bit because I should voiceover pretty well. And this is a blue organizer lamp found on Walmart on Saturday 16th actually. I'm just getting this up. I'll leave a link in the description where you can find this online. One of the things I like about this basic upgrade is that it has it features two plug ports and two portable device cradles for, let's see, like a tablet, for example. I do unravel it. There's the information tag. Spare from jumping the volume down. Now, CFL light bulbs work fine in these lamps, so I can see out and this thing see representation. That's adjustable and turn 79%. Like movement in this program. That's how they're talking to you. Just testing at this point to see if this is correct. But the lamps are just now here's the older video for the tab that I used to record this. Now the tab has a reboot option, but it requires unlock just to boot it up. Following that, and additional unlock to access the tab options. So logged in. Clicking on the volume controls while on home screen defaults to notification volume. It has a drop down menu to expand for the other controls like music and alarm volume. Music volume adjusts by pressing the controls while music is playing without the need to expand options. Pressing and holding on recent app control, it basically looks to the square in the center. Can actually get a dual app view. It's possible. Some apps doesn't work for it, but there's a no screenshot option button, but screenshots can be taken by holding the volume down and power buttons simultaneously. So there's a screenshot ability on this. And this device has a outer camera, so it's easier to see what's up when you record it. Now the dual alarm clock, the batteries are unfortunately not included. It takes 2 AA batteries, which should be there in case there's a power outage or the plug comes with this. Power buttons, radio alarm, radio. It's an AM FM radio switch, as well as a preset station switch. Now, one of the features that's really nice at radio alarm clock feature is that there are tuning buttons left and right that go forward and back. This works with the clock adjustment, so you don't have to go forward. You can go in the reverse direction, like in case you accidentally skip forward and you don't want to cycle through the hours. For setting time, press and hold the time button to adjust for hour. Then a quick second press to adjust the minute. Then third exit the time adjustment. Alarm 1 set 1 and alarm 2 set 1 work the same way, actually. Maybe this is indicated by a red light on the screen if they're on. It's the alarm switch. If you use alarm switch, it's alarm 1 switch, alarm 2 switch. So they toggle the modes, which are beep, radio, and off. It's also volume adjust buttons, and of course there's the huge snooze and sleep button right in front. This is Fire Mr. Lucky 5 with extra bits that are helpful. Thank you for watching.